Good morning, wife.
Good morning, husband.
Don't ask me.
Mrs. Gray, look out your window.
What you know is true.
I'm taking you away for the weekend.
I just can't believe this is my life, that I get to live with you.
Oh, I love your precious heart.
Anna Gray's office.
I'll pick you up at 5.
I might not be done by then.
And we could live
Can I drive?
No.
for 1,000 years.
Beautiful.
I bought it for us.
I love it.
Christian, this location is perfect. I'm going to build you a fabulous house.
Please stop speaking of my husband as if I weren't here.
Anna.
You may call me Mrs. Gray.
I told you that we could fly,
I should misbehave more often.
'cause we all have wings,
We're being followed.
but some of us don't know why.
How the hell are you, Anna?
Jack, what do you want?
So you want to play?
Yes, sir.
I swore I'd keep you safe, and I will.
You can't keep me in a cage.
I made a vow to love you faithfully, forsaking all others,
Did you sleep with her?
and to comfort you in times of need, for as long as we both shall live. Why do you defy me?
Because I can.
Tear us apart.